sababu ataenda kuweka pale kwake.
We are pushing for a pay rise of between 50 to 100%, postgraduate allowance of 40% across board, that those people who have masters, PhDs should be retained in schools because they are now critical staff in the new competency-based education that we are pursuing in grade 10 at the transition next year. We are also looking at risk allowance for those teachers who teach in areas where they are banditry and where they are also prone to terror attacks. And then hazardous allowances for those people who teach sciences, those teachers who teach sciences and who work in workshops. Review of the medical scheme for teachers. Teachers currently suffer because they are prevented from visiting so many hospitals, given the fact that SHA has now taken over and is promising heaven when they are not giving us all that we require in terms of management of our sicknesses.
It is not a one-off thing. We are not just sitting on first and concluding the CBA. We want to see what the employer will offer, and if they offer something that is good, we can sign. If they give us 60%, we will sign. But if it is something that is not pleasing to the ear of the teachers, I think the teachers of this republic will not be very happy.